Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be making stuffed potatoes, and it's like a bacon and ranch typed loaded stuffed potatoes. And then I'm going to also be making chicken wraps. So I'm gonna fry some chicken and put some ranch and cheese in there and make homemade chicken wraps. So I'm really excited, so let's go ahead and get right on to the video. Okay, so first I have the potatoes in the oven at 350 degrees, and they have olive oil and salt on them, and I put them on a baking sheet just because I find when you wrap them in foil, the bottom doesn't get crispy enough, and I like the potatoes to be really crispy when we do them loaded. Okay, so first I'm going to go ahead and make some ranch, and we use like Hidden Valley Original Ranch seasoning and salad dressing mix. And they make it in packets, and they also make it in these big little jars. Okay, so for the ranch, I'm just gonna put the powder version of the ranch in the potatoes and just use the like liquidy real ranch for the wraps. Okay, so now I'll take about 2 spoonfuls of diced jalapeños, maybe a little bit less, and I add them to the ranch before I refrigerate it, and it makes it taste really good and gives it the wraps just a little bit of a kick. But you can leave these out if you do not like spicy stuff. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the fridge to chill. Now I'm gonna slice up 4 to 5 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I'm gonna take the chicken and put it into a bowl. Then I'm going to take buttermilk and cover it. And I poured enough buttermilk for it to cover all of the chicken, and I'm gonna let that soak. So now I'm gonna take vegetable oil and put it in a large skillet and put about that much in there. I'd say till it's about 1 inch to 1.5 inches high in the skillet. And I'm gonna go ahead and get that heated up. Now in a large container, I'm gonna pour a bunch of all-purpose flour, and buttermilk cornmeal, and I would say I use about 1/4 of it to the flour. And then I'm also gonna put Johnny seasoning and heavily coat it in here. Now I'm gonna take the fork and mix all of these ingredients together. We're gonna wait for our oil to heat up just a little bit more. So now that the oil is hot enough, I went ahead and put on my apron so I don't get popped by oil. But I'm gonna go ahead and take a piece of chicken from the buttermilk, making sure it's really coated, and then dip it in the flour mixture. Make sure it's also coated good too. And then put it in the oil. And it definitely should be sizzling when you put it in there, so that's how you know it's hot enough. But I turned it down to low while I'm putting it in here. Okay, so now I put the first batch of chicken tenders on a plate with paper towels on them. Okay, so now as the last batch of chicken is cooking, I took the potatoes out of the oven, and they've probably been in the oven now for a good hour to 1.5 hours maybe. And I'm gonna go ahead and make stuffing them. So what I like to do is turn them sideways and cut them in half. I'm gonna take a spoon and spoon out all of the potato part and put it in a bowl aside. Now that all of the potato filling out, I'm going to add ranch seasoning. Bacon bits. Cheddar cheese. Sour cream. And I'm gonna add in about a half a stick of butter at first, but I might end up adding more. So now I'm going to take my spoon and put them back into their shells. I'm going to put these back in the oven for about 10 more minutes. Put butter in a pan and start heating it up to cook the tortillas. Cook it on medium heat and go ahead and put a tortilla down. Cook it for about a minute on each side to 30 seconds, just depends. Okay, so now I'm gonna take it out, put a little bit more butter in the pan, and then put another tortilla down while I'm gonna make this one. So what you do first is add some chicken fingers in it. That's about enough. And then you add your cheddar cheese. On top of that. And then you drizzle some ranch. Just like that, and go ahead and wrap it up. And there you go. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and taste test. The potatoes are really good, just as good as I remember them. I love these types of potatoes, so. Hi guys, thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, and you'll know what to do. Same things for the giveaway. And the prize for the giveaway was in my last video if you want to go ahead and check it out. And this was really, really good today. I'm so happy with how it turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.